Fade dark spots and wrinkles using natural essential oils. Dark spots and wrinkles are two of the most common skin concerns that people face as they age. While many turn to over-the-counter creams and lotions to address these issues, there are also natural remedies that can be effective. One such remedy is the use of essential oils. Essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that can be used for a variety of purposes, including skincare. Some essential oils are particularly beneficial for fading dark spots and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. One essential oil that is often recommended for fading dark spots is frankincense oil. This oil has been used for centuries for its healing properties, and it has been found to be effective in reducing the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation. To use frankincense oil, simply mix a few drops with a carrier oil, such as jojoba or sweet almond oil, and apply it to the affected area. Another essential oil that can help with dark spots is lemon oil. Lemon oil is high in vitamin C, which is known for its ability to brighten and even out skin tone. To use lemon oil, add a few drops to a carrier oil and apply it to your skin before bed. Be sure to avoid sun exposure after using lemon oil, as it can make your skin more sensitive to UV rays. When it comes to reducing the appearance of wrinkles, there are several essential oils that can be effective. One of the most popular is lavender oil. Lavender oil is known for its calming properties, but it is also a powerful antioxidant that can protect the skin from free radical damage that contributes to the formation of wrinkles. To use lavender oil, mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage it into your skin before bed. Another essential oil that can help with wrinkles is rosehip oil. This oil is rich in vitamins A and C, which are both important for skin health. Vitamins A and C help to stimulate collagen production, which can help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles over time. To use rosehip oil, simply apply a few drops to your face after cleansing and toning. In addition to these essential oils, there are several others that can be beneficial for fading dark spots and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. These include carrot seed oil, geranium oil, and helichrysum oil. When using essential oils for skincare, it's important to choose high-quality oils and to dilute them properly with a carrier oil. Essential oils are very potent and can cause skin irritation if used undiluted. In conclusion, natural essential oils can be a great option for those looking to fade dark spots and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. While results may vary from person to person, essential oils offer a natural and safe alternative to synthetic skincare products. By incorporating essential oils into your skincare routine, you can help to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. Fade dark spots and wrinkles by using natural essential oils that are gentle yet powerful enough to minimize the appearance of aging skin. Essential oils have been used for thousands of years for their healing and rejuvenating properties. They contain highly concentrated plant compounds that work wonders on skin when applied topically. Try a blend of tea tree, frankincense, and lavender essential oils to fade age spots, wounds, and wrinkles. Tea tree oil has strong antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help exfoliate